Hello viewers, myself MGD Tamim. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to import Adobe Illustrator file, AI file in Adobe After Effects. Before import the Illustrator file, you have to separate all of the layers of Illustrator file. So make this process, I open an Illustrator file. Wait for a few seconds. Now you can see the Illustrator file is opened. You can see all of the layers is joined. So before the import process, we have to separate all the layers to layer sequence. For make this process, firstly you have to ungroup all the layers. Simply click Ctrl Shift plus G to ungroup the layer. Now you can see leaf is separate, then company, and then tagline. We don't need any tagline, so I delete it. Now I ungroup the leaf layer. Press Ctrl Shift plus G. Now you can see the leaf is separated to 3 layers. This is a text layer. Totally I found 4 layers. One is company name and 3 of the leaf layers. You can see all of the layers is joined. We have to separate it. Click on the layer on right side of the hand. You can see 3 dot. Click on this and click on the release to layers sequence. In this option, you can see there is some colorful option. Every part is separated. Now we have to out all the layers from the layer on. Simply select all the layers and drag it on the layer on. Every layer is separated very well. We have to delete this option. Click Ctrl plus S to save the file. I go out and import it in After Effects. I open Adobe After Effects. This is the Adobe After Effects 2020 interface. To import the file, we have to click on New Project. You can see a composition box. Click on the box and press Ctrl plus I to import the file. Here is the file that I want to import. Select the file. Simply click on the footage and click on the composition retain layer sizes and click on the import. Now you can see the file is imported in Adobe After Effects. Simply double click on the file. Now you can see the composition is opened. Every part is separated in a single layer. You can animate it easily. So by following this process, you can easily import Adobe Illustrator file in Adobe After Effects very easily. Thank you for watching the video.